passed by that mean ass bird.
Cat's retreating, dude.
Oh shit. Dude, fuck you. Where's the bird?
Kitty. That's why we need the other cat.
Oh my god, look at this bird. It's so mean. No, don't put him in the tree. You're doing it right now. Come on.
Oh, here he comes. Getting too close to home there. But don't get too close, you won't punch him. I'll come after you. Kitty!
Meow. 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 Meow.
That French ass name is Vaughn.
Oh my god. Kitty! Come here. Oh my god, run for your life! Ah! My god. I'm so scared. Oh my god. Where are you?
See, there's this chick on that tree. Oh, one more time, I'm on half driveway.
Yeah, just don't put him in the tree though, because I don't think like the bird cared then. This is the meanest bird I've ever seen in my life.
No, get away, kitty.
Kitty, go.
Okay.
Alright, that was that.